Hello guys, as you know nowadays we are discussing class 9 7 chapter the last leaf, and this is so much interesting story. In this chapter we have discussed about three characters: Sue, Jansi and a creeper, Ivy creeper, Ivy creeper, and fourth character was a doctor. Okay. When Sue was advised by the doctor about the treatment of Jansi, then Sue started to draw attention of Jansi towards herself. Okay, so today we will try to complete this chapter. Okay, guys, so let's start. We should discuss. I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me a loving, and I have not cooperated with you. Here you can say that this statement is told by Jansi because Sue was busy to draw the attention from the creeper leaves, and Sue did her best to draw her attention, but she did not succeed. And at last, Jansi had to say to Sue that Jansi was a bad girl because Sue is doing for the recovery of Jansi, but Jansi did not cooperate her. I have been depressed and gloomy. Means here Jansi had been depressed and gloomy. Means Jansi had been sad. The last leaf has shown me how weak I have been. Means here only one leaf has been left in the ivy creeper. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. Means here, Sue said that if any person want to die, that shows his her cowardice. Sue hugged Jansi. When Jansi said this statement, so here you can say that Sue expressed a kind of affection towards the Jansi. Then she gave her lots of hot soap and a mirror. Jansi combed her hair and smiled brightly. Means here, now you can say that uh, Sue succeeded in her plan, and Jansi combed her hair and smiled brightly. Means here you can say that Sue was busy to make Jansi laugh, and we can see that she succeeded in her plan. In the afternoon, the doctor came. After examining his patient, he told Sue Jansi now had the will to live. Means here before this, Jansi has not will, Jansi has not desire to live, only she wanted to die. But after great effort, a lot of effort of Sue, Jansi convert his thought, and students, I will not tell you that if a person has thought that she had not desire to do that thing, she has not or he has not desire to live in this world, then nobody can make him her better. So here I am confident she will recover soon. Means here doctor said to Sue that Jansi will recover so soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Behram. So here you can say that doctor said to Sue that just now he will go on the ground floor, and he will look Behrman, who is an artist. He is also suffering from pneumonia. Means Behrman was also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him because he had been old. So doctor said Doctor said to show that doctor has not hope that he will recover or the doctor will be able to make the Behrman recover better. The next morning Sue came and sat on Jhansi's bed. Means after going to the doctor the next morning Sue came on the bed of Jhansi and sat on Jhansi's bed. Taking Jhansi's hand in her, she said, Taking Jhansi's hand in her, she said, I have something to tell you. Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia this morning. Wow, this was so much sorrowful news. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day, the janitor found him on his bed. Means, guys, you can say that this was so much sorrowful statement about Behrman. His clothes and shoes were wet, and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. Okay. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. Okay, so in this way we can say that this was also a kind of effort. Okay, so then they found a ladder and a man and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. There was also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. Jansi dear, said so, look out of the window, look at the ivy leaf. Have not you wondered why it does not flutter when the wind blows? That is Behrman's masterpiece. He painted it the night the last leaf fell. It means here you can say that Behrman, who was the best artist, he did his best for the recovery of Jhansi. He knows about the illness of Jhansi, and he said that if he draws the same leaf like the ivy creeper, then this leaf will not fall, and if this leaf will not fall, then Jhansi will not die. So here you can say that this was the Behrman's masterpiece, and this art made Jhansi live long. Guys, your homework is that you should complete this chapter. Okay, guys, and this is so much interesting story, so you should learn this chapter.